Hey guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. In today's video, my girls and I have a huge once a month grocery haul to share with you. And on this trip to Costco, we really tried to stock up on our favorite items and things that are currently on sale at Costco. In this video, I'm also taking the opportunity to share with you a little bit of a life update. I'll tell you all about the emergency that we had in our house, and I'll share with you the progress that's been made on our RV renovation project. Now, if you love grocery hauls, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, because on this channel I share big grocery hauls at least once a month. For this grocery haul, we only went to Costco, and the grand total came to around $430. Now, I did originally plan for this to be our spring break grocery haul, but since we've had so much going on with the house and the RV, we decided to take our spring break next month instead. Before I jump into the haul, I thought I'd give you the update on the house emergency that we had. This is actually right under the master bath. So last night I took a shower, and 20 minutes later we had water dripping from the ceiling. Now, long story short, we were able to get the dripping to stop fairly quickly, so we didn't have a ton of water damage. But after that, we had to go through the entire process to get it all fixed. And as of right now, this is how it looks. The leak is fixed and the ceiling is patched up, but we do still need to paint the ceiling and hopefully make it look a little bit better. I do have to say it is not perfect, but I am thankful that we didn't have to replace the entire ceiling and that we had insurance. Okay guys, now back to the grocery haul. As I'm going through, I'll try to pop up the prices as I go, and then after I show you everything that we picked up, I'll go ahead and give you a sneak peek of our RV renovation project. For this haul, each family member did get to pick out one special item. Both Lily and my son Jackson requested muffins. They absolutely love the Costco muffins, and since at Costco you get to pick out 2 packs, we ended up going with one of the raspberry lemon flavored, which are so good. As you can see, the kids already got into these and there's only one left. And then we also got the chocolate muffins too. My daughter Mackenzie picked out these Harvest Snap Pea Crisps. She loves those. My son Griffin also picked out a snack. These are the Annie's Cheese Puffs. He absolutely loves Annie's mac and cheese, so of course he loves these too, and I think they're on sale right now as well. My husband requested the shrimp, and then I actually picked out 2 different things, and they're kind of opposites. First off, I was super excited to see that Costco had my favorite tonkatsu ramen soup. If you are a fan of spicy noodles, you would probably love this too. I bought this a couple of months ago and fell in love with it. When I lived in Japan, I used to eat tonkatsu ramen all the time. And even though this kind is not super authentic, it is delicious. And you guys, this ramen doesn't actually come with all of the things you see on top. That's just a serving suggestion. It's really just the noodles, the broth, and the spicy sauce. And then the other thing I picked out a little bit better for me, these are the keto clusters. I've never tried these before, but I've heard good things about them. Just yesterday I ordered this Dirty Lazy Keto cookbook. I've never tried keto before, but I'm definitely interested in giving it a try. So I made sure to pick up these snacks since they are also on sale. Okay, so now on to the rest of the haul. We really tried to stock up on our favorite things and things that were on sale. While we were there, my daughter Mackenzie grabbed us 2 bags of our favorite chicken nuggets. These 2 bags will probably last us an entire month, and yes, they really do taste a lot like Chick-fil-A nuggets, but they're not quite as greasy. We also picked up several bags of the beef bulgogi mandu. Now you guys, I cannot say enough good things about these. These are absolutely delicious. The whole family enjoys these, and right now they are on sale, so we stocked up. I also stocked up on this pasta sauce, which is absolutely my favorite. Right now you get 2 bottles for $7.99, and usually in the regular grocery store, just 1 bottle is $7.99. So this is a really good deal. Now I also decided to stock up on on some water bottles as well. These are the big 1-gallon size. At my Costco, they don't have any limits on things anymore. And here in Florida, where we have the possibility of hurricanes, it's always a good idea to have some extra water on hand in case of emergencies. Now, I do have an entire separate video on all of the emergency foods I keep in my house, and I'll go ahead and link that down below if you haven't seen it. Now, to go along with all of this delicious pasta sauce, I also stocked up on my pasta as well. This is actually an organic pasta. I've never tried it before, but since it's on sale, I thought now would be a good time to give it a try. I also got 2 boxes of my favorite almond milk. I did try out the oat milk and it was delicious, but unfortunately I realized that the oat milk has a lot more calories in it than the almond milk, so I'm back to almond milk. And then for my kids, I went ahead and got a triple pack of the regular milk. Now, as far as produce goes, I didn't pick up a ton today. Last week I got oranges, apples, onions, tomatoes, lemons, and limes at Aldi. So at Costco, I ended up just getting some lettuce, some spinach, cucumbers, we love cucumbers, avocados, some baby carrots, some corn, and some bananas. Oh yes, and back here, we're trying these new potatoes. These are little baby potatoes that are supposed to be very creamy. Now, as far as dairy, I already showed you the milk, but I did also get some sour cream, some string cheese, some Havarti cheese, and we also got the 5-cheese tortelloni. To go with the tortelloni, we also got the basil pesto, and to go along with the non-dippers, the kids also picked out some hummus. For lunches, we stocked up on our bread. This is 2 loaves of the home-style oat. We also got a big old pack of tortillas. This should last a long time. My kids love quesadillas and pizza quesadillas, so that's what those are for. We got a big box of Ritz crackers for homemade Lunchables. Then for sandwiches, I got the salami, the roast beef, the bacon for BLTs, and I stocked up on the peanut butter and jelly, and my kids specifically requested crunchy peanut butter. They've been having creamy peanut butter forever, and they're kind of tired of it, so crunchy it is. Now from the seasoning section, I did go ahead and get this huge container of Himalayan pink salt. I've never tried that before, but I've heard good things about it. And then I also got the big container of the ranch seasoning. Now you guys, I absolutely love these liquid IV, but these can be kind of pricey. I try to only get them at Costco when they're on sale. I just ran out of the strawberry flavored one I got last time at Costco, but this time they had a new flavor. This is tangerine. This one is on sale right now, but the regular flavor is not on sale. So hopefully this one will be good. So now for the RV update. Now I do have a complete separate video from where we originally bought the RV. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it down below. But basically we bought this 15-year-old RV knowing that we could kind of fix it up and make it our own. Now you guys, keep in mind, we are not professional renovators. In fact, we have never done a project like this ever before. Before I got started, I did go ahead and purchase an ebook from the blog All Things with Purpose. She's all about camper renovating, so I definitely learned a few things from her. I'll link that book down below as well if you're curious. But basically this last week we started by taking everything out of the RV, and I mean everything. We emptied every single cabinet, every single drawer. We took out all of the organizational things that I had added, and we also took out all of our decorations, including our new magnet collection. The kids and I started this new tradition where we collect a magnet from each place that we've camped. So far that's just Fort Wilderness, at Disney World, and at Lake Lanier in Georgia. But we are hoping to add to this list over spring break and summer break too. As of right now, all of the things that we took out of the RV are just hanging out in our living room because we don't really have anywhere else to store these things. So this is definitely a motivation for me to get this renovation completed as quickly as possible, because until then, all of these things are just staying right here. We then removed all of the cabinet doors and the dinette booth, basically everything we didn't want to get paint on. And then before we got started painting, we filled in any of the holes, we sanded the wood, and we prepped the wall for paint. And you guys, the painting process has definitely been very time consuming and we're not quite done yet. But as you can see, just painting everything a nice bright white has really made such an impact already. So yes, this is definitely a work in progress. We are not done yet, but when we are finished, I am hoping to share that with you guys as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.